It's day 4 and we've stopped at the harbour last night, which we'll show you in the day 3 video, and we're now heading to John O'Groats through Wick first and then on towards Durness.
Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild.
So did I lose sight of my drone? I did. I sent my drone out to sea, so I had the confidence to set it out to sea through a rock, and then I realised as it went behind the rock I lost sight of it, which means I could have lost signal to it, but it fortunately carried on, so that was okay in the end. It was a slight moment of panic.
It didn't go home to church.
It didn't go home to Church Stretton, so I didn't lose it again, and it came back to me, which is half the battle, so it was quite a bit to get to know it. Yeah, so I went through 2 batteries. I got 3 batteries, so I got 1 more battery. I'm not quite sure if I could USB charge the battery as well. I'll find that out tonight. Hopefully I can. So I hopefully get some more footage.
And just tell me about you think they let tents there. And
yeah, so it's really interesting. I met the lady there, as I said earlier, that they look after it, and looking at it this morning, it looks like there's an area where they sort of encourage people to camp in tents. I think it's all about respect at the end of the day. They encourage you to be there. They'll probably, maybe in the local shop you'll spend money or whatever in the local areas and that, so I think it's all about encouraging visitors, so I thought that was quite nice. Really friendly people as well.
turned to the wild.